Chapter 10. Types of Houses. We will learn types of houses. People need a place to live in. We live in houses. A house becomes a home when a family lives in it. The house we live in is our home. The houses protect us from heat, rain, wind, dust, and animals. We live in a house with our family. A house gives us shelter and keeps us safe. People live in different types of houses. Most people live in one place for a long time. They live in permanent houses. Some people keep on moving from one place to another. They live in temporary houses. Types of houses. Houses are of different types, sizes, and also designed differently. They are like pakka houses, kacha houses, flats, tents, caravans, houseboats, igloos, etc. Kacha house is made of clay, mud, and straw. These houses are not strong. They are usually seen in villages. The factors that determine the types of houses people live in are the location and climate of the place, the construction materials available locally, and the economic conditions of the people. In hilly and rainy areas, houses are built with sloping roofs. Sloping roof allows the snow and rainwater to slide down easily. In some areas, people make their houses on boats. These houses are called the houseboats. Such houses are found in Kashmir and Kerala. In Kashmir, such houses are called shikaras. Fact file. Wooden houses are made in earthquake-prone areas in order to cause less damage even if they collapse. Houses in cold regions are made up of snow blocks which are built up into the shape of a dome. The houses built of snow are called igloos. People who live in it are called Inuits. People who are always on move have their houses in their carriages. They do not build permanent houses. These houses are called caravans. Animals and vehicles are used to pull these houses when the nomads move from one place to another. Some houses are raised above ground with stilts instead of being at ground level. This protects them from floods and also from the wild animals that roam around. The elevation also keeps the house cool. Stilts houses can be found at coastal areas where it is easily flooded, but can also be found inland. People living in hot areas build their houses with flat roof and thick walls. Thick walls keep the house cool from inside. People sleep on the flat roof on hot summer nights. People living in coastal areas build their houses with wood, dried leaves, and reeds. These kinds of houses do not hurt when broken due to high sea waves. Cost to repair such houses is also less. People who stay at a place for time being and then move away make houses of canvas. Such temporary houses are called tents. People like soldiers, campers, etc. stays in tents and then pack them and move forward. It is like a thick cloth which is easy to fold and pack. There are generally multi-storied buildings in these cities. Due to less space for more population, the houses are built one on the top of other. These houses are called flats or apartments. Many families live in the same building or apartment. Very high-rise buildings in the cities are called skyscrapers. People living in villages build kacha houses with mud, stones, bamboos, and straw. Some rich people in villages make very spacious houses called havelis. But people now living in villages too build pakka houses using bricks, cement, iron, stones, etc. Nowadays, one can find different types of houses at a place. Large multi-storied buildings, chawls and slums all can be found at one place. Chawl is also a building with many one-room houses built in one row with common toilets. They are found in Mumbai. Keyword: nomads, people who travel from place to place. Elevation, height above a ground level. Collapse, suddenly fall down. Multi-storied, having several floors. Points to recall: a house becomes a home when people live in it. People live in different types of houses. Kacha houses are usually seen in villages. Houses having many stories is called an apartment. Very tall, high-rise buildings in the cities are called skyscrapers. Chawls are found in Mumbai.